In the history of the study of birdsong, most research was done in the Northern Hemisphere, in Europe and North America, and in those regions female song is comparatively rare. And so researchers working in those regions generalised from what they were observing in their local birds and assumed that male song was the norm throughout the world.
A male-biased view of birdsong had, to an extent, deafened us to female song.
So when I was doing my research, it was basically assumed that it's the male that sings and the female doesn't. Maybe that's because most of the scientists were males who were studying birdsong.
But now there's a new generation of female scientists coming through, studying birdsong all around the world and discovering that actually female song is very common and occurs in more species than not.
And it's only now that they're properly being heard.
Naomi and her colleagues have discovered that in 64% of all songbird species, females sing.